So today I planned on coming to the studio and kind of mixing it up a little bit, do some pieces that I've never done before. But what I ended up doing is just painting a bunch of stuff black and doing different colors on top. So hope you enjoy that if you like black and white or black and blue or black and other stuff. And then at the end, I'm gonna do party favors for my wedding. So I'll explain that more as I'm doing it, but talk to you in a little bit. First painting of the day. So we've got a yellow paint, or sorry, black, I can't speak today for some reason. We've got black background, yellow on top. I can't, what the heck? I just forgot how to speak. I don't even know. So doing just one swing here, gonna be pretty quick. The lines are a little bit thicker than normal, so I wanna make sure that I can properly display the pattern without getting it super muddy. What happened to my speech there? It just like brain broke for a second. I don't know. Whatever. But interesting. Okay, so this one, like I said, it's gonna be pretty quick. I've been letting them run way too long recently, so trying to negate that. But I'm gonna be doing a bunch of paintings today. I'm really excited to get a full studio sesh today and knock it out of the park and do some really cool stuff. So stay tuned the next couple of days, you'll see those paintings. Or if you're on YouTube, you're seeing them all right now. All right, here we go. 4, 3, 2, and got it. Oh, great exit. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. This one was really fun. All right, YouTube, we're about to make a viral video right before your eyes. So prepare for that. So I've been doing performances for about 2 years now, actually 3. And one thing I've learned is that you just kind of got to roll with the punches here. So what I mean by that is when something happens, you just got to take a bow and move on with your life. Like if a painting fails, the only time I'll share if a painting fails is if it's specifically for, or like in a video like this. If I'm in a performance, I'm never going to say a word about a failure. So that being said, who knows, maybe I'll do something here that's going to completely mess this up, get in my head. I really like this pattern though, this is interesting. Okay. Is it coming into the center? Yeah, here we go. Ready? God. Well, I hit my shin really hard. That sucked, but I'm not mad at this. Darn, that sucks because that pattern was really cool. I should have just let that pattern go, honestly. Maybe I'd do another painting like this. But the other thing that's funny is that a lot of people think that my paintings, like when I do a video, I can't speak today for some reason. When I do one of these videos like that's a fail, that it's scripted, which you decided this one was, but there's one video that has like probably over 150 million views that I knew was gonna fail, but I just did it anyways. So if you know what video that is, I mentioned it once, but pretty much everything else has been just on a whim, as far as you know. But yeah, so gonna let this one go for another maybe like 20 seconds, and then I'm gonna grab it once these lines kind of line up. But here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think I lied. That was pretty miserable, but maybe it'll do better because of it. But that little mess up, I occasionally fabricate them. That one I got in my head a little bit. I've only done it once where I did it, and I just mentioned a second ago, but stay tuned for the next video. Feel free to laugh at that because that was miserable. So I've done doors a couple times now. This will be my 3rd door video. No, 4th, 5th? I don't know, whatever. But in this one, what I was thinking, right, is I like the idea of you walking in and you having plain, regular colored doors, And then as you turn around, you see something interesting. In this case, the pendulum painting over the doors. So that's what I'm playing with here. We're gonna see how that goes, because what I'm thinking, right, is you walk into your room through the doorway. You've got this. This door is your doorway facing in, and if you look over to the left, there's 2 French doors that are your closet, and those will be on the inside. So you have this like really cool 3D effect that spans across all the walls. I just realized I did it wrong, so that's awkward. Wow. Yeah, I totally flipped these. They're supposed to be, would it still work? No, because I have to flip this. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I think I just totally botched this, but whatever. You guys are here for the ride. Yeah, I really like that first swing. I'm just gonna add like a little bit of an accent on this one. I don't want it to really take away from that centerpiece, but I also want to have something that pulls a lot of that negative space together. So that's what we're rocking with here. But I really love this emerald green. It looks white to you guys, but actually it's a little bit pink, the lines, which I think adds a lot of interest as you get closer. The 3D effect of it laying over the like ridges of the door is really interesting. I actually just bought some of the Black 4.0, the Black is Black, and I'm going to be painting some surprise stuff with it. I want to do like 3D objects that you didn't realize were 3D, right? So like paint them with the Black is Black, and then do a pendulum and be like, oh my gosh, it's like flat, and then I paint it and it's like, whoa, it's actually has a bunch of stuff on it. So stay tuned for that. The company's taking forever to deliver my order, and I bought a lot of paint, so whatever. Okay, so this is exactly what I was kind of looking for. We're gonna grab it in, I think, maybe 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful stuff. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Later. Alright, I'm going for a very specific. Oh, it's gonna hit the wall. No, it's not. Oh, it might hear. Going for. Oh my god. Okay. Never mind. Not going for a very specific pattern anymore. It just drilled both walls. Oops. So, gonna just kind of freestyle it. I was going to do a very specific kind of cross-hatching pattern that was spun counterclockwise and clockwise, but now we're just gonna have fun with it. The studio is getting quite messy, as you might see in the background, but who cares? Okay, I'm gonna knock this out really quickly here. After this dials in, we're gonna do one more swing from this kind of diagonal. Hopefully it doesn't slam into stuff like the other one did. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, I think we're good here. This should make that cross-hatching pattern just like the other one did. Yeah. Probably another like 6 swings, maybe less. And since I'm here, might as well do another one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, got it on that painting. Whatever. Didn't mean to do that, but it adds ambiance. It adds some character. What do people say when something is all beat up? It's weathered? No. There's like a specific term I'm thinking of. I guess it has character. Yeah, adds character. That's probably it. That's my car. I have a brand new 2023 Mazda CX-50, and it has lots of scratches already. I put 15,000 miles on it already in like 6 months. We've been doing a lot of road trips, so and we're doing more. We're going to Kentucky in a couple weeks. So wish me luck there. All right, here we go. I'm gonna stop it now. Yeah, a lot going on here. We got 3. Yeah, why not? We go 3, 2, 1. Got it. Beautiful. Thanks for watching this one. It was fun. Okay, so kind of fun fact about this painting. This is the original canvas that I developed / learned / tried this technique. I've kind of taken it my own way in my opinion, but this was the original canvas. This is what started it all with this double pendulum technique. I don't even know if it's considered a double pendulum, but whatever. But yeah, so kind of going back to my roots here, the original was purple with yellow on it, and that video did very well because it completely failed and I kind of gave up on it. What's really cool about this smaller canvas is that every single size makes different patterns. So I found that this smaller size makes like a pattern and then the same pattern but smaller again. Actually, this one isn't. This one's gonna make kind of square shape. Beautiful. Actually, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. This one was fun. Later. Okay, so I was gonna do like a light lavender on this piece previously, like do that red with the black. There's actually a blue underpainting. So there's lots of like purple undertones, so I figured lavender would be really nice with this. But then I was like, let's go loud. Let's go really loud. And I think I accomplished that pretty well. So we're gonna do probably just this swing, honestly. Maybe. This pattern is so conventional. For this double swing technique, I've never seen it so like normal. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna grab it. Honestly, I'm just gonna smack it. Why not? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. I love that. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. I'm sure if this were a commission and they watched the video, I'm sure they'd love that. That it was a 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. But that's kind of the beauty of my technique, is I can just let's see what happens on a daily basis, which makes me so happy that I get to share with you guys. This is one of my last paintings of the day. I've done like 5 or 6. I'm a little worn out. These canvases weigh stupid amounts of heft, weight. They are stupid heavy. I don't know what I would say. These canvases weigh a lot. And so schlepping them around is honestly the hardest part of this technique, because holy cow, this big canvas over here weighs like probably more than 100 pounds. And it's 8 foot by 6 foot, so it's like very cumbersome and annoying. And I'm lucky that at my size, I'm able to even move them. So this is coming up on the end of the painting. I regret doing that first part. I think it really takes away from the piece, but whatever, you live and you learn. So we're just gonna ride this out for a bit and see what happens. I do really like that loud, bold color. I think it's really nice. But let me know what you guys think. Should I stick to the subtle tones? Should I go bold and crazy every time? Do you like kind of the mix we've got going on? I want to know more from you guys, because I feel like I'm sometimes just kicking tires, doing the same thing over and over, and want to make stuff that you guys would enjoy watching. Interesting, this pattern just did a full like, no, I'm going the other way. It was doing a specific kind of cross hatching, and now it's just like, no, I'm actually going to spin like, it looks like it just went from clockwise to counterclockwise. I know it didn't, but the way that changed the pattern kind of looks like that. That probably makes no sense, whatever. But this is probably going to be the end here in maybe 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Got it. Nice one. I like this. Later, guys. Oh my goodness gracious, that was a lot of painting. Didn't end up doing the wedding thing. I'll do that another time, but we had some really fun ones here. Let me know what you guys think, if I should do some more. That viral video thing really flopped. But I hope you enjoyed all of it, and I'll see you next time.